Hello everyone, today I would like to review the Black & Decker leaf blower that I bought on Amazon. It is a 7 amp leaf blower that moves up to 180 miles per hour and has a built-in cord retention. Um, and this is of course a corded leaf blower. And what I really like about the leaf blower is that it's very lightweight and it's good for people of all ages who need to do yard work and need to clean up their driveway or their backyard. And it's very easy. You just put the tube into the where the motor is, and then you plug it in, and you're good to go. And it is only 4.4 pounds. And I thought that when I got this leaf blower that it was going to be very not as strong as the one that I use at work. That's one of the backpack leaf blowers, but it actually is really good. I use it to clean my driveway, my garage, and um, my front patio, and I clean up the front yard and the backyard, and it works really, really well. I highly recommend it for $36. It's a great entry-level leaf blower, and then later on, if you need to get one that's a little bit better, then there are other options between $65 to $200, depending on if you want gas, if you want cordless, etc. So I highly recommend this Black & Decker leaf blower 7 amp LB700 from Amazon. It's currently $36.24, and I bought it with safety glasses, which is an extra $11. But I definitely recommend, you don't want dust particles going in your eyes. Even if you have glasses, I'm going to put the safety goggles over just to make sure that I don't get any dust or debris in my eyes. I highly recommend this product.